We are going to extract the audio from a video using CapCut on your PC right now. First, open your project, grab your video clip from the media library, and drag it straight down onto your timeline. Once your video is sitting on the timeline, move your cursor over it and right-click on the clip. A drop-down menu will pop up with a bunch of options. Scroll down through this menu and click on Extract Audio. The moment you click that, CapCut automatically separates the sound from the picture. You will see a brand new audio track appear directly below your original video track. Now, there is a quick trade-off to keep in mind here. If your goal is to completely get rid of the original video and only keep the sound inside your project, you need to manually select the video track by clicking on it and then press the delete key on your keyboard. This leaves you with just the raw audio track on your timeline, but it also means the visual component is completely gone from this section of your edit. If you want to save this audio as an independent file to use in other programs, look up at the top right corner of your screen and click the Export button. A settings window will appear. The important thing is to look closely at the checkboxes. You want to uncheck the box that says Export Video. By turning that off, you unlock the audio export settings right below it. Next, toggle on the audio export option. From the drop-down menu next to it, you can choose your preferred audio format. You can select MP3 for a smaller file size or choose WAV if you want lossless maximum quality. In my case, I usually go with WAV to keep the sound completely crisp. Finally, pick the specific folder on your computer where you want to save the file. Go down to the bottom right and click the Export button. CapCut will process it, and you will have a standalone audio file ready to go. I hope you found this short video tutorial helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.